Libra, for zodiac sign Libra or Tula Rashi. So Librarians, Jupiter was transiting through your 4th house last year. So last year was a good opportunity to purchase a fixed asset, but because of pandemic issue, it was very difficult for you. That was an opportunity which is gone. But in 2021, April onwards, Jupiter is going to enter your 5th house. Thereby, is going to bring amazing investment opportunity for you. So, rather than you purchasing a property for your personal use, you can invest into a property for future investment purposes. No doubt you're going to get good returns on investment. And for librarians who have invested in stock markets in past or invested in some property in past, when Jupiter comes to your 5th house, that investment is going to mature and you're really going to see a lot of profits. It's a good time for you to book your profits. And another problem area is that Ketu is transiting through your 2nd house, putting pressure on your liquidity position, and Rahu is transiting through your 8th house, putting you into health problems, and health problems specifically related to back pain, and financial problems specifically related to unnecessary expenses which you cannot forecast. So there are chances of minor accident because of which expenses can occur, or a minor accident for your family members can put you into expenses. So in April 2021, when Jupiter comes to 5th house, is also going to aspect your 11th house, where you are going to see nominal profits or profits for the efforts that you have put. And Jupiter is also going to aspect your 9th house. For employees, people who are in working population, you can expect your management to consider you for a promotion or growth in your career or job responsibilities. So that is about librarians. And a word of caution for librarians: Saturn is transiting through your 4th house. So health wise, you might see challenges in respiratory system. There can be issues that you might go through which is connected to your chest area. Can be a chest pain or some sort of allergy or infection or things like that. For Scorpio zodiac signs, 2020 for Scorpio has been good. It has given them, in the initial stages of 2020, before we got into pandemic issue, Scorpio natives have seen a steady foundation strengthening in their career, their financial problems slowly stabilizing in 2020. Specifically for Scorpio people who are in medical industry, there has been a steady growth in their life, because for Scorpio, when Saturn transited from Dhanus to Makara, that is from Sagittarius to Capricorn, they were out of Sadesati. That being the reason Scorpio is doing well. Well, Donald Trump got into trouble because he was entering into a major Mahadasha of Moon, and since Moon is debilitated, he had his own share of trouble. But generally overall, for Scorpio, 2020 was okay, and 2021 is going to be better than 2020. April 2021 onwards, Jupiter is going to move to their 4th house. Scorpio, for all those natives who had a dream of purchasing a house, building a new house, or renovating their interiors, it's all going to manifest in 2021. And from your 4th house, Jupiter is going to aspect your 8th house, your 7th house and 12th house. Jupiter aspecting your 8th house, your 10th house and 12th house. Jupiter aspecting 10th house from 4th house is going to bring you amazing career opportunities. So do consider, if people who are planning to travel overseas, do take it very seriously in 2021. So people who have been planning to launch a new project or start a new business, please take initiatives in 2021. It is going to become successful. And Jupiter aspect in 12th house is also going to help you to save costs. So overall, for Scorpio, financially they are going to do well in 2021, and health wise no major issues for them in 2021, except in health wise they might go through minor urinary infections, there might, but family wise and relationship wise there are big problems that they will have to deal with. So couples who are already in misunderstanding and friction, the fight might escalate. So what I would request is this fights and misunderstandings are not going to go in any direction. It will not solve anything in life. So try to compromise in your fights. And Scorpio have to be very cautious with regards to their name and fame, because Ketu is transiting through their first house. Ketu is transiting through their zodiac. So there are chances that the person might get into stress and worry and fear of losing name and fame. So that is it for Scorpio. Overall, for Scorpio, personal life, minor problems are there. Financial and business is very good for Scorpio. Sagittarius zodiac sign. Sagittarius is also called as Dhanus Rashi. Now for Sagittarius, Jupiter was transiting in 2020 through Capricorn. He is still transiting through Capricorn. He is going to enter Kumbha Rashi in April 2021. Now Jupiter, when he enters third house, Jupiter is not very comfortable in giving results for third house, but still, third house, the house of siblings. Sagittarius, the sibling rivalry, the fights with their childhood friends, their extended family, they're all going to resolve. And they're going to see some good, happy, fun time with their family. And Jupiter from their third house is going to aspect their 7th house, 9th house and 12th house. So Sagittarius people who have had trouble in finding a marriage proposal, an alliance, they're going to get good opportunities and good proposals in 2021 post-April. And Sagittarius people who are working in office, white collar jobs, they can expect a promotion, because when Jupiter comes to their third house in April 2021, he will aspect 9th house very strongly, and that will make their management very friendly towards them and help them out to grow in career. And Jupiter is also going to help them to come out of their financial problems by giving them a lot of financial benefits. So overall, Dhanus Rashi is a big winner in 2021, because they are the trouble that Sadasati gave them initially has reduced phenomenally. Sadasati has gone to their second stage, and in this stage Saturn is at a stage where he is going to give in Sadasati. So Dhanus Rashi is benefiting, and Sadasati will see damaged relationships healing. They are going to get job opportunities, management is going to be friendly, growth and promotions are going to happen, salary is going to increase this year. And certain minor issues are going to be bothering Sagittarius, that is Rahu in 6th house and Ketu in 12th house. Ketu in 12th house is not very bad, and especially Ketu being in his own house or his friendly house of Scorpio will not cause heavy financial losses for Sagittarius. Rahu transiting through their 6th house might make them very competitive this time, and the only major issue that Sagittarius might go through this time might be their leg pain or pain in their thighs. There is a problem called sciatic nerve problem. So all those patients suffering from sciatic nerve, since Rahu going through 6th house, the pain might aggravate a little. So that is about Sagittarius. And one of the most worried transition, the Saturn's transition for Sagittarius. Saturn is transiting through your second house, and second house being your liquidity position, you might have struggle in managing your daily expenses and your liquidity position, your financial position. So you overall have to take care of your health. Sagittarius, family life is going to be good, professional life is going to be good, financial problems are going to sort out. They only have to take care of this, their health, because Rahu is in their 6th house. Yes. Capricorn or Makara Rashi. Capricorn, this Rashi is going through a lot of struggle in 2021. In 2020 also they had stress in terms of their finance and career and health and almost every aspect. The main reason being they are in the peak of their Sadisati. When Saturn transited to Capricorn in 2020 around January last week, it was the problems were there were peak for them. Now things are slowly mellowing down in their life in terms of financial problems. Uh, Capricorn is going to experience a drastic change in 2021 in terms of liquidity position because Jupiter is going to enter their second house of liquidity position. From their second house, Capricorn, Jupiter is going to aspect their eighth house. So, if Capricorn is expecting some sort of a surprise good news that can happen, that may happen in 2021, and from second house, Jupiter also aspects sixth house. So, Capricorn, who has got into a lot of debts in 2020 and 2019 because of their Sadesati problem, all that will be able to reduce in 2021 because of Jupiter's blessings. Jupiter, remember, Jupiter transiting into Kumbha Rashi in April 2021 will aspect their sixth house. Now, when they aspect their sixth house, Capricorn people, the natives of Capricorn, will be able to come out of their debts because their liquidity position will become better. And Jupiter also aspects their 10th house. So, Capricorn people who are going through major problem in their job, or Capricorn people who have lost their job may get back their job. Capricorn people or students who have passed out recently, they will be able to get a new job in 2021 post April. Now, the challenges for Capricorn, undoubtedly the first challenge is their Sadesati. The second challenge is Rahu transiting through their 5th house and Ketu through their 11th house. Ketu in 11th house gives very good results, but Rahu in 5th house will give them sudden changes in their investments. So investments at certain point of time will shoot up and suddenly it will fall down. So they are. It is good that they stay out of stock markets because it's going to be very volatile for them. Rahu in their 5th house also gives them tension with regards to their digestive system. So people who are having diabetic issues must be very cautious. People who are obese, overweight have to be very cautious because Rahu in 5th house does not give good results in terms of health. And Rahu in 5th house also digs into past life. So their good results are also going to come and bad results are also going to come. Ketu in 11th house will help them to develop their profits in their businesses or get a better package, better salary, or negotiate for a better salary, for a better position in their career. So this is about Capricorn. Capricorn people overall, 2021 is going to be very good compared to 2020 in terms of finance. And in terms of health, for Capricorn, be very careful about your digestive system for diabetic, digestive system for BP patients as well. So that's all about Capricorn or Makara Rashi. Aquarius zodiac sign. Aquarius is also called as Kumbha Rashi. Now, compared to most of the zodiac signs, this time the worst hit zodiac sign is Aquarius. 2020, Aquarians got into Sadesati. Now, you would have seen news that the promoter of Yes Bank, Mr. Rana Kapoor, is a native of Kumbha Rashi. His Sadesati started, and we all witnessed how he got into trouble and a lot of problems hit him in his career and personal life. Now, yes, his company Yes Bank got into trouble when Sadesati started. Now Jupiter is going to transit into Kumbha Rashi in 2021 April. That means that whatever bad time that has happened to Kumbha Rashi people, that is going to solve in 2021, or at least it is going to come out of its rough seas and get into good books. Jupiter, when he transits to Kumbha Rashi, Kumbha Rashi is the first house for the natives of Kumbha Rashi. It's the first house for natives of Kumbha Rashi, and from there he's going to aspect 5th house, 7th and 9th house. 5th house, their past investments, if they are in trouble, will sort out slowly. And why I said Kumbha Rashi is the worst hit is because Kumbha Rashi, Saturn entered their 12th house. They lost a lot of their efforts in 2020 when Saturn transited to their 12th house. And still, when Jupiter transits to their Rashi, to Kumbha Rashi in 2021 April, they will still not be able to solve all their problems, but they would be able to come out from a disaster to a normal state. They would be able to come out from rough seas to calm seas. So Kumbha Rashi, Rahu and Ketu is transiting. Rahu is transiting through their 4th house. So for natives of Kumbha Rashi, their fixed assets will have minor problems. They also will see minor health issues regarded to their chest area and respiration. Ketu is transiting through their 10th house. Undoubtedly, they are going to suffer a lot in terms of their business and career. And 2021 is going to be struggle in their business and career. But the good news for Kumbha Rashi is in 2021, the problems that they faced with regards to the disaster what happened in their career and business, they would be able to bring down those problems. They're not going to see outright growth, but at least they would be able to come to a normal level. And so the good news for Kumbha Rashi, if Kumbha Rashi natives are going through bad name, if they're going through fights, they all are going to calm down in 2021. Financially, they are not going to be completely solving their problems. Financially, they will prosper in 2022, but financially, this time they would only be able to save enough money or earn enough money to manage their expenses. They would not be in negative, but they would also not be in great profits. They would just be able to manage their expenses. That is about finances of Kumbha Rashi, and Kumbha Rashi has to be very, very cautious in health this time because their respiratory and chest area, they are going to have trouble. They are also going to have trouble in their leg, especially to their ankle. So Aquarians who are football players or hockey players, Aquarians who are marathon runners, they all might go through health issues related to their respiration and their leg. So that is it about Aquarius. Overall, 2021 is definitely going to be better than 2020 for them because Aquarians have lost a lot in 2020. They are going to stabilize, at least the losses are going to stop in 2021. Pisces zodiac or Meena Rashi. Now for Pisces people, 2020 was not a bad year. For them, they have stabilized in their financial status, and their Ketu left 10th house and went to their 9th house. Whatever stress that was there in their career, profession and business has also reduced. Not all Pisceans have prospered, but some Pisceans have also gone into deep financial troubles, but most of them have stabilized in their financial life because Jupiter transited through their 11th house and Saturn also is transiting through their 11th house. Saturn is very comfortable in 11th house for Pisceans. Now in 2021, Jupiter is going to enter your 12th house. Pisceans in 2021 will somehow get into investments, investing a large money into their business or can be into some property as well. And Pisces definitely will travel in 2021 with regards to their business or pleasure trip. Pisceans have to be very cautious in family life in 2021 because Rahu in 3rd house, not very good for family life. He brings fights and misunderstanding with siblings. Ketu in 9th house, not very good for your relationship with your authorities, seniors, and the health of your parents might be in trouble. You have to take care. So Jupiter in transiting through your 12th house is going to aspect your 4th house, which means Pisceans might buy property by investing a lot of money through debts. And Jupiter from Kumbha also aspects your 6th house, so it clearly shows that you will get into a huge loan to invest into a property. Make sure that you don't overcommit and overburden yourself. Pisceans also Jupiter from your 12th house is going to aspect your 8th house. There also might be certain health issues, surprising health issues that might give you large expenses. You have to be very cautious. Now Pisceans, the other thing that you have to be very cautious is that Saturn transiting through your 11th house is good for finances, but Pisceans might also have pain in your leg, some sort of a pain in your leg, especially for people who are going through varicose veins issues and spider veins issues, people who are suffering from sciatic nerve issues and joint pains. 2021 is not going to be very comfortable. You have to be very cautious. 2022, when Saturn transits to your 12th house, your leg pain is going to really aggravate. So you have to be really proactive and meet a doctor and take medications from early before it becomes a major issue. So for Pisceans, overall 2021 finances are going to be stable, and 2021 you might get into commitment. So you can limit your commitment to an extent which you can take care of. Don't overburden yourself. And Pisceans have to be very cautious with family life. There are sibling rivalry, there are fights with childhood friends and your subordinates, and there are misunderstanding with your authorities and fatherly figure. Also have to be very cautious about your parents' health. So that is about Pisces. Remedies. In 2021, almost every Rashi is going to have at least something good or bad happening in their lives. Now for certain Rashis are negatively impacted because of these transits, and Cancer, Virgo, Sagittarius and Pisces, these are the Rashis that are going to be negatively impacted by Jupiter. So you might have to do some remedies or pariharas so that you can nullify or reduce the negative impact of Jupiter. And for Aries, Taurus, Gemini, Leo, Virgo, Libra and Scorpio, you all have to be very cautious because there is a phenomenon called Kuja Rahu Sandhi, that is conjunction of Rahu and Mars. Now Mars and Rahu conjunction puts people into a lot of health risks, especially people who are going through cardiac issues. If they are experiencing a negative impact of Kuja Rahu conjunction, they must get a Shanti done. Now if you speak to your local Purohit or any Pandit near you and tell them that you have to perform a Kuja Rahu Sandhi, they would be able to help you out what has to be done. It's a very simple puja, not very expensive, not very time consuming as well. Now, Rashis which are in limelight are Capricorn and Kumbha. Most of the pujas that they do will not really bring them any benefit because they are in Sade Sati. Sade Sati means these are people who are under the strict vigilance of Saturn. And what can they do? They can, I will come to the remedies again in the end. Now, overall for everyone, the first remedy that you all can do is you can go to any temple nearby, and you would find in the corner of temple there are around 9 idols that are arranged in certain positions as per the directions. You have to do pradakshina of that Navagraha. You have to go around Navagrahas for 9 times to perform Shanti for Navagrahas. Every time you are going one round, you have to pray for one deity and ask for mercy in case of any problems that have occurred through the negative impact of Jupiter or Kuja Rahu Sandhi or Sade Sandhi. And this has to be done by all the Rashis, and specifically Capricorn and Kumbha. You must visit Lord Shani Mahatma's temple and burn the black til in the fire, or the sesame seeds. Kuja Rahu Sandhi, and this there are no pujas that we can do at home. You just have to talk to a pandit and get a Shanti puja done locally. So this is in a nutshell basic remedies that you all can follow. Of course, based on your horoscope, based on your dasha bhukti, the pandit would be able to suggest you much more technical pujas. I would request you to consult an astrologer or a pandit to get more details on that. Yes, guys, we had a detailed discussion about the general predictions for 2021. Now let's talk about remedies. Now, in 2021, Jupiter is going to negatively impact Cancer, Virgo, Sagittarius, and Pisces. And there is a rare phenomenon called Kuja Rahu Sandhi, that is the conjunction of Rahu and Mars. Aries, Taurus, Gemini, Leo, Virgo, Libra, and Scorpio. These are the Rashis that are going to be troubled because of this conjunction. Now, why you have to worry about this conjunction is because Kuja Rahu Sandhi is known to bring health risks to people, especially people with cardiac issues and problem in their muscle. So they are at a risk of going through some sort of an health ailment, or a period of pain, or suffering, or some sort of things like that. And the Rashis that are in limelight is Capricorn and Aquarius. Capricorn and Aquarius are going through their peak of Sadesati, and Sadesati is the struggle for these two Rashis are going to be a little more deeper than other Rashis. Now, what does this mean? What does negative impact of Jupiter means? Jupiter's negative impact brings struggle in finances for these Rashis, and Kuja Rahu Sandhi brings problems and struggle in health for these Rashis. And Sadesati, it's not a very bad time. Sadesati is kind of a situation where everything just stops in your life. There is a pause button hit in your career, pause hit in your development of business, pause hit in your assets, in your income. The planets are just going to test how well you can manage without the favor of luck. So that is about Sadesati. Now, what you can do as remedy in case you are going through some sort of issue here. Number one is Navagraha Shanti. You can perform a Navagraha Shanti Homa or Havan at home. That is the most preferred one. And the second is that you can visit any local temple. You will find Navagrahas in the corner of temple, and you have to do Pradakshina. That is, you have to go around these Navagrahas 9 times, and every time you finish one round, you have to thank each deity or ask for mercy from each of these deities, so that they will reduce your burden and sufferings. And Kuja Rahu Sandhi is something which we cannot perform these pujas by ourselves. You have to meet a local Pandit and ask him to perform this puja. It's not very complicated, they can handle it. And for Sadesati, you can perform a Navagraha Shanti at home. And in South India, people perform an event where they will invite the storyteller, or Harikate Dasaru we call them as. They come to house and they recite the story of Lord Saturn, how he punishes people, and performing that at home, if you are resourceful, will help you to reduce certain burden and struggle from Sadesati. Now, what you can do as a common man if you are going through Sadesati is visit Shani Mahatma's temple weekly once, and after visiting Shani Mahatma's temple, when you are coming out, you can burn the black til or sesame seeds, and after Shani Mahatma's temple, go to Lord Hanuman temple, perform your basic puja, and go straight to your house. So this is about your remedies. In case if as per your birth chart, if you are going through any deep problem because of some sort of dasha bhukti, then you might have to consult an astrologer or meet a local pandit and try to understand what is the problem and how to solve it.